I don't know if you can see it back there. I mean, it's all spray painted black, so it's probably not showing up or in the field of view. But I just put in the best mod. Forget about those refrigerators on sliders. I got me a oven back here. I can cook, I can bake, I can make cookies, I can make a cake, casseroles. I'm having electrical problems getting it hooked up. Our normal battery is 12 volts. I've been able to double that without a problem, so I'm at 24. But I need to get a 0 on the end of it. So I need to get 240 volts. Otherwise this thing will take forever to heat up. So I'm on my way to Home Depot to get a rectifier. Actually, I think I need 2 rectifiers to get the 240 volts. How many of y'all know what a rectifier is that don't have an electrical engineering degree? Okay, basically the easiest way I can tell you is it's a pacifier for your rectum. That's the best way I can tell you. Some smells. Yeah, I don't like this. Alright, I'm pulling over. Yeah, it smells not good. It smells electrical. Everybody knows the smell of electrical. It'd be me. Landslide coming down. This does not smell good. Brake trail. Fresh tracks.
Turn the quiet up, turn the noise down. Let this old world just spin around. I wanna feel it sway, wanna feel it sway, and put some feel good in my soul. Drink a little drink, smoke a little smoke. Want a little more right and a little less left. A little more right now, a little less what's next. Act like tomorrow's 10 years away, and just kick back and let the feeling flow. Drink a little drink, smoke a little smoke. Yeah. Set my sails for a new direction, but the wind got in my way. I changed my course, but my definition of change just ain't the same. I'm gonna sit around here, stay away from there. I'm gonna make pretend I just don't care. I could get up, go get her back, or maybe I'll just let her go. Drink a little drink. smoke a little smoke.